Okay guys, welcome once again to our HTML5 tutorials. Today we're going to be talking about HTML styles and text formatting. Okay, first thing we do, we'll save. And don't forget we are still making use of our folder HTML. So I'll save this as styles and HTML and save. And then we do our basic HTML documentation, which is type HTML, followed by our HTML tag, followed by our head tag, then our title. So we're calling this HTML styles, and then start body tag. Good. So HTML style attribute that is used to add styles to an element, such as color, font size, mouse over, and other stuff. So like we did before, we talked about element, and let's just run through a quick phrase. We said an example of an element is a p tag. Now you can see the p element represents a paragraph, telling you that p is an element. If I have a p of simple text, now we said style, HTML style is what is an attribute. So I can add an attribute to my element by simply doing style, color, then let me give it a red color. Good. Now I save, right over to my folder styles. Now I have a simple text that has color red. So it's simply adding an attribute to our element, giving the attribute what is called a property, then the value, whichever value you want to give your property. Okay, now we can add more stuff. Let's say font size. Let's give it a font size of 20 point. Save, refresh. Now you can see it's bigger, so we can increase to 80. Save, refresh. Now you can see we have a bigger text. So that is one of the functions of style. So it is used to add colors, font size, styling to any elements of your choice. So we're going to do some little beautification today. Go to, let me create an h1 tag here. And remember we said h1 are what? Our heading tags. So welcome to my page. So let's remove this. Let's make this font size 20. I'm changing my color. Do something else. Let's No. Then I'm about to style my body tag. So body is an element, so which means we can give it what an attribute of style. We're talking about style. We'll do background color. Then I think I like this color here too. We'll save. Over to our browser. Now for refresh, now we see we have a nice looking background here. Changed with the text and the background color changed by using the style attribute. So the style attribute, giving it a background color, then any color of your choice for it to change. Now for this, let's also style our H1. So let's do text align. This text align is to move your text to the center, left, right. So we're putting it at the center. Save. So also you do text align on our paragraph text. Center. Save. To the browser, refresh. Now you see we have a good web page now. Our text in the middle. The first one has black color. The second one has a white color. There's no color. Then we change the background color of our web page. So this is one of the powers of CSS that we're about to begin using from this lecture. So another thing you can change is the font family. So let's do that now.